Changing security settings on Uber Eats is essential for ensuring your account remains safe and secure. Follow these simple steps to update your security settings. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. Within the account settings, look for an option labeled Security or Privacy. Tap on it to view your current security settings and options. Step 4. Update security features. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your security settings, ensure you save any changes made. Look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the screen and tap it to finalize your updates. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Uber Eats account. Regularly checking and updating your security settings is a good practice to keep your information safe.